Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day because I'm introducing a new bit into the wooden sole bit family. Let's have a closer look. This is the 5x20 O-flute router bit that I'm selling for a while now. It is 5mm and you have 20mm cut zone and you can drill down 40mm. It's really nice, it's selling well. If you don't have it, I can recommend it. You can remove a lot of material at once. But what if this is too thick for what you're trying to do? What if your workpiece can't afford to lose that much material, or if the way you want to cut needs a smaller diameter here? Well, then you could take this bit here. This bit, I made a video a while back, is 1/8 of an inch, and you can drill down pretty deep with this. But you see the shank is short, so you can do about 20mm max. If that is enough, this is a really good bit. This is the new bit from Wooden Sole. It is pretty much the same as this one here. It's O-flute, so it has the same cutting design than this one, but it's only 1/8 of an inch thick. And it has a really long shank. That's why you can use the full depth of the shape or origin of 40mm and create shapes losing very little material. So that's exactly it. A very long and very thin router bit. And why did I do that? Because I actually was very often in the situation where I needed that. Where the regular bit, the 5x20, which I sell, was just too thick and I didn't have enough material, or I wanted the corners to be not as rough. I wanted it to be smaller and I couldn't. And with this other one, the short one I showed you before, it was too short. So I decided to put this bit to a test using a 40cm long walnut piece of wood, about 39 centimeters deep, and I decided to put it on the bench pilot and to take 3mm passes. Because, and this is important, you can obviously not cut this entire depth at once with such a small, thin bit. It will crack. It's not good. It's not good for the material. So 3mm is what I decided to take, and with using the standard speed of the shape or origin. And the bench pilot told me this will take you 2 hours, so I let it cut for 2 hours. And I'm happy to report that it was able to cut all of these dovetails without any interruption, like a charm. And as you can see in the video, these work all well. I ended up with a bunch of those dovetails. Now, after cutting, the bit looked pretty battered. You can see it here, but it's kind of understandable. 2 hours of cutting is a lot, without interruption. So yes, it was pretty dark, burning marks, and really also dirty. So I put it in the bit cleaner, and after cleaning, as you can see here, it looks almost new. Almost. I mean, I used it for 2 hours, so it is not new. It cannot look new, but it looks pretty good. This is the highest quality solid carbide I was able to find, so it's really sturdy. I am very hopeful that it should not break that quickly. As you can see, I was able to use it for 2 hours straight without a problem. And because this is really thin, shipping worldwide is pretty cheap. So that's nice. I can sell this for 15 Swiss francs, which is about 18 US dollars. I think that's a pretty good price. And because it's so thin and light, you can also order multiple without the shipping costs going up. So that's it. I'm pretty excited about this new bit. I will put it to test more, and I know I'm going to use it pretty extensively. I hope this can be helpful to you too. If it is, you can order it on my Etsy store as we speak. And I hope you liked this little video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and see you around.